It's that one guy.
What is up, everybody? It's that one guy here. And yeah, sorry, wanted to catch a little bit of the marquee right there. But we're here early, getting ready for our performance. Our last performance on opening weekend of Shrek the Musical at the Historic Woodland Opera House. Now we get here early because I got to get into makeup, and something that I hate doing. I'm sure most women can attest to that getting your makeup on is just stupid. So yeah, we're gonna go downstairs, get our makeup on. We'll get a couple shots of the inside of the Historic Woodland Opera House, and you guys can come with me backstage a little bit. How about that? All right, we got to get here early to get us all to get our mic checks. Something that the Opera House hasn't done in the past, but we do have them for this show. You can see, got the dragon right there, so that's pretty cool. It's gonna kill me later. But, so there you go. Backstage at the Woodland Opera House, we have the old school fly system. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but we get sets flying in, and not a lot of room backstage, but there's my plaster pony. I don't know if you can see that either. It's kind of dark back here. Orchestra here.
Okay, that's fine. I just was not that one be like, but I just that's fine. I kind of want to get back if I can.
That was the house. We're gonna head on downstairs where all the magic happens. That looks kind of creepy, but this is where we live. We got the female wigs, and here's the wig patterns right here. That's mine. And costumes, just hordes and hordes of costumes. So here's the Farquaad rig. We've got my little toddler boots that have been painted gold, and these legs. I'm not sure what's in these legs. They're patty up here, but they're kind of solid down here. The boots are bolted in, I don't know if you can see this, to the shin guards, which are like catcher's shin guards. You can see that, I'm sure, in this light. And then I've got a belt that goes around, and suspenders that go up over my head, and this end hooks back to the back of my shin guards. So it's all a rig. What I have to put my full costume, which is right here. And I don't know if you can see this. It's got cape. And then this like apron that goes in front. Alright, so we got the boots on and the shin guards. Yeah, and right now it looks like a flamingo because his knees are bending backwards, but we're about to put this up over my head. I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's the hole in the apron where the legs come through. And then I put the costume up over the top. And there you go. See my little legs down there? And here's my top. I've got a collar that goes on up over here, and my wig, and my cape. And that is it. So the show is over now. Knees are sore, so I got some ice packs, and we're gonna go get some food truck food. But yeah, that's about all we got going on with the show. Runs another 3 weekends. Luckily I have 4 days off, so I don't have to worry about being on my knees anymore for a few days, so that'll be some good rest. All right guys, that's all I got for you today. Go ahead and like the video, put the thumbs up down there, and if you're so inclined, hit the subscribe button. And I'll throw up some links over here so you guys can check out some of my other videos. Alright guys, I'm out.